My Lappy is so trash that even Linux Mint is not able to work properly. ये क्या ग्लिच है भाई मेरे अंदर? I like how when you rehearse you can speak in English, but when you start recording, your English communication skills fade away. It goes poof. Okay, thanks, bro. Enough is enough. Now I'm going. Now I don't need you anymore. Lol. भाई मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. हाँ, भाई इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलते हो? I cannot speak. I cannot contemplate. I cannot ejaculate, bro. I cannot believe this shit. I am done with this, bro. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. सो जाओ, मर जाओ. हग दो भाई. माइक टेस्टिंग. My क्या क्या how the fuck am I supposed to say that my lap is so trash even Linux Mint can't run properly? I start recording with OBS, it starts lagging. It was actually better in Windows, but in Mint it's worse. ऐसे. And I open Brave, and I open Instagram on Brave and try to upload a video. The Brave app crashes. My PC is so trash even Linux Mint like stopped working on it. It said, bro, I can't handle your lap. Your lap is so trash, bro. It said Linux Mint said it's a disrespect to me to be installed in this laptop, and I shouldn't be here. Please uh, remove me from your computer. I don't deserve this. Even though I am Linux, but that doesn't mean you are going to install me in this crappy little bullshit. Just I'm done with you. Linux Mint said I'm done with you, bro. I simply cannot run in your OS. And I try playing Krunker and Venjay. When it works in Krunker, it's क्या बोलते हैं उसको? भैंचोद दिमाग में ग्लिच हो गया है मादर चोद साला. ऑन कमांड इंग्लिश नहीं निकलता है. इन क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार? फक ब्रो. In Krunker it stutters, but in Windows X Lite it did not stutter actually. But when I start recording it from OBS, it simply the Lappy gives up. Lappy starts lagging itself. In Windows it also used to lag, but it does not lag. Used to lag like this much on Linux. कुछ नहीं तो आई लव यू ही बोल दे भाई. ये अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है भाई. I don't know how the fuck am I supposed to make this crap little bullshit run? I cannot understand. I'm done, bro. I'm completely done with this bullshit. My Lappy can't run a single thing. है ना? क्या और इंसान क्या बोल सकता है? ब्रेन लैग, epic brain failure, on command communication skills goes blur, ADHD takes over. Basically, my Lappy is so trash, even Mint decided to not work on it. Even Mint said, bro, I give up on your Lappy. And now I'm thinking, I don't know what the fuck, what the fuck operating system should I run on this shit. And Windows X Lite is good, it works, but I actually decided to shift from it because uh, even Windows X Lite latest version started lagging on it. the 11 one. And on Windows X Lite 10, some of the features that is helpful for me to run on it doesn't work. I mean, it's basically just not there. So I need Windows 11 because I am now used to it now, so I can't switch back to Windows 10 because lack of features. So I switched to Linux Mint, and now Linux Mint is not running as I expected. It's actually running even worse than Windows X Lite. Now what the fuck am I supposed to do? Throw this bullshit in garbage and say fuck you, bro. Never come to me again. And one day Mint will come out. One day a penguin will appear from my laptop, slap me in the face, and say, bro, you cut the crap, throw this shit, okay, and you you go to Himalayas and go become Vairagya or something. This bullshit is not for you. One day this is going to happen. This is, I'm thinking this is a draft video, but I'll still upload it because I it felt it is funny. It felt cute. Might delete later करके upload कर दूँगा. And I said, God knows. Now what am I supposed to do, bro? I can't game on this shit. And I left gaming, man. So I cannot game on this shit. Krunker is not working as it is supposed to work. Benji is also not working as it is supposed to work. And when I start hitting, when I hit record, the entire lappy lags. And but before, actually in Windows it was like good. I was like able to stream. In fact, I streamed a lot. I streamed a lot of Phasmophobia on Windows through OBS. It did not. It actually lagged, but I reduced some of the क्या बोलते हैं उसको resolution. है ना, I reduced resolution. In fact, I did not even have to reduce resolution. And I like went to OBS and basically I did it 10 nah. Yeah, actually I did reduce the resolution. It was like 480p or something, 480 or 560p. But the game was running at 1080p or 720p, and the stream was also like good. There was nothing like encoder overloaded or something. But in Linux it cannot even like record properly, and it's laggy. If I try, see, but in Windows it did not happen. Now I'm thinking, what the fuck should I install in this shit? Should I try Fedora or something, or should I try Arch? But Arch is like, I can try Arch, like, or I can try Endeavor OS or something. I don't know what to try. I've tried a lot of Linux distros and decided that Ubuntu, something that is friendly, something that, because I want to try Linux. I like want to learn Linux more. I want to use Linux more. And nowadays I'm not also gaming much. So if I'm not gaming much, then there is no point on being in Windows. I'm like watching movies, web series, singing songs, making reels, and I've decided to make, I don't know, what, educational tutorials or something. And I decided I'll make like helpful Linux tutorials because you guys asked me to in my very previous videos. It's like 1 year, it's been 6 to 7 months. I like said in comments like, bro, you should make more Linux tutorial videos, and I replied to, yes bro, in future I will. Now is the future, and now I want to make. But if Linux is not working on this bullshit, how the fuck am I supposed to make a tutorial video? What should I say? How to improve Linux performance? I tried that. It is better, but it is better, but it's still worse than Windows itself. It can't even run better than Windows X Lite. It can't even run better than fucking Windows. Anna, what the fuck am I supposed to do with this bullshit? I open Instagram, I start uploading a reel, the entire Brave browser lags and closes by itself. I thought the RAM usage will go less or something. Even the memory usage is still 6.1 GB and swap is full. God knows, bro. Nothing can help my Lappy at this point, bro. Only God can save this Lappy. See, even minimizing system monitors how much laggy it is. What the fuck, bro? ये सब देख करके लग रहा है, by seeing all this bullshit, I'm thinking that, bro, I was better at Windows itself, but at Windows there is nothing to learn about. Windows is basically brain rot for me now. I want to try something new. I'm thinking I'll try installing Fedora or something. And now how the fuck do I make this shit work, bro? And I tried Xenmod kernel. It became better actually, but if I'm not able to record gameplays or something, if I'm also not able to record basic things, like how to install virtual machine on Linux, bro, I hit record in OBS, the Lappy dies, bro. And if it actually Windows X Lite was good. There I used to hit record, and then I could record and run VM at the same time, and then I could also like play non-copyright music also there. And it did not used to lag actually. And it depended on the VM how much RAM I'm giving. I used to give him 3 GB or 4 GB RAM or 2 GB RAM basically. It used to run fine basically. And I mean it did not used to hang or something. It used to work great, but now I simply hit record in basic. If I even like in past two videos that I was trying to show you how to install Xenmod code, it was like very basic. There is no heavy graphic shit going on over there. It's basically a guy trying to explain how to install Xenmod kernel to improve Linux performance, but bullshit, bro, bullshit. I know. I mean, it became better for me. It became best for him, but for me, it became better, but it's still worse than Windows itself. I don't know, bro. What I'm thinking, what for the fuck should I do? And I should make an entire review of this my Lappy that I have, so that the other people that have the same Lappy as me don't need to suffer as much as I have suffered, so I can help them. Be a guide, professor of the dark arts, Severus Snape. That I think that is the best thing I can do. Now finally I can speak in English, talk in English, walk in English. Anna, rest in peace. Open the window, sister. Let the air come in. Anna, at 12 p.m. you do one night stand with me. Thank you very much. I'm uploading this bullshit, bro. I'm done with this shit. I'm uploading this one. This is not going to be draft. I'm going to upload it. I don't know what the fuck is going to happen. If shit happens, I'm going to delete this. Otherwise, I'm going to even no one watches my videos, bro. I uploaded a lot of videos in the past. In gaming videos, Bloodstrike videos, the entire playlist is basically 0 views. Nothing is there. No one watched it. Some of the videos people watched, and I'm actually very happy. In fact, one guy said that especially the Linux ones are being watched, and custom Windows ones are being watched right now. One guy I uploaded a Minecraft story mode cracked in Linux. So one guy commented few days earlier that, bro, thank you for you, because I was able to play my childhood game once more. I was like very happy. So I decided I will make more tutorial helpful videos, so that I can make like what people happy. Other people can also play their favorite game, and basically bring a smile on their face. But if I'm not able to help myself, how the fuck am I going to help them? This laptop is trash, bro. Absolutely bullshit. I don't know, bro. I'm done. Thank you. I'm डिप्रेशन मैं हमेशा डिप्रेशन में रहता हूँ, माँ कसम। अरे मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ। डिप्रेशन बहुत सही चीज़ है। डिप्रेशन bullshit Lappy. Penguin will come and slap me one day. Penguin will come and say, bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Don't ever try to install me on this bullshit again, bro. You buy a new laptop or something, then install me, bro. Don't even think of installing me again. Like, go fuck yourself. Sad.